Hey, everybody. Welcome. I'm Steve Kalayjian. Hello, everybody. Hello. We buy house. How are you? NASDAQ futures. Look at this. 500. Unbelievable. Big turn up here. 30-minute time frames. NASDAQ just ran. Boom. Over 500. Yeah, I would short these here. Non-confirmations. I go like 505 up to 45 or 505 up to 40. Hello, everybody. Nikolaki, Vixel. How are you? DeLuke. What's the go? What's the go on the NASDAQ? What's the go is you had the buy here. Okay. You had the buy here. Gold, very strong here. You had the buy in the 30-minute time frame on the NASDAQ futures. Right here. Right here. Actually, you could. Okay, let me. If I can get this here. Right here. You can see the buy here on the 30-minute time frame. Right there. Unbelievable. Hope everybody had a great day today. Everybody had a great day today. Hello, Alexis. How are you? You could probably push it up to either the 505, 508, up to. Hey, Andrew. How are you, Andrew? You got two longs. Good job. Now you probably just maybe want to take a scalp short here if you want. You're in a positive trend. Okay, Jeff W is back. That's right. Jeff W is back. Thank God he's back. All right. Okay. All right. He's back. All right. Hey, Albano. Everybody good? Everybody good? Mikey Jacques is in the house. Mikey Jacques. Let's see. What's the high here? Oh, 03. Dropped. All right. All right. Here we go. All right. All right. We missed Jeff. Jeff is back. Yes, sir. His brother's going to be. Hey, Vanessa. Gibraltar. Futures 1 Pro. All right. All right, let's cancel this. Let's look to short the NASDAQ if it gets up to the 510, up to 40, 45. Rod Trades. Congratulations, Rod Trades. Hi, is it all that my fund futures banned Morocco? I don't think they banned. I don't know. Hey, Barbie. I don't know if they've banned Morocco. I think there's certain times when they can, certain firms allow certain. Here we go. Boom, 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 boom. 09, 10, 14, 15, 18. Okay, again, I would just scalp the short if you want. Look to cover a 10. 5, 15, 10 down to, look at the gold rally. Okay, gold was a great long just before we came on at 82. You're in a positive trend here on the gold. Okay, this NASDAQ, unbelievable. So you want to see a great long this morning? So this is the buy here on the NASDAQ on the 30 and the 60-minute time frames at the 29,000 and change. Here's the you can see here. You could just cover this NASDAQ between the 05 and 12 if it gets down there. Just so look this morning here. You can see the push down right here. You see the push down right here. Okay, you see the push down right here. Okay, the MACD is the non-confirm. This was one of the best trades of the day. Well, we had so many of them, but this was one. Look at this. You made non-confirmations here. Do you see that? Right there? James Dean. Okay, NASDAQ just got down to 08. I would hopefully you've covered some of your shorts there. Okay, you get them?
Yeah.
Good job. About 50? Dude. Dude, you understand who you're dealing with. I didn't even have to look over. I could just see your body language. Oh, there's $50. Okay, you know, that's a tank of gas. Okay. Well, I don't know about Utah. I don't know. But there you go. All right. All right. Hope everybody had a great day here. Hey, Brad Allen from Toronto. Look at the NASDAQ get kabooshed down 20 here. All right. Hope you guys caught that short. How can you reach me? You could just text me your full name and email. S&Ps just got kabooshed 5. 914-500-7484. Okay, MRN, is that your name? Or MMBX8IC. You could just text me on WhatsApp or on the regular line. You can give me a call, okay? All right. Or text me and I'll return your call. All right, gold's making new highs here. Don't ask me why. Don't ask me. No more questions. And I won't tell you no lies. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. Let's do this here. All right. There we go. I short them again up here. 30 up to 30, 65. If they hit 30, go 29, 30. Let's see here. Oh my God. Did they hit 30? I don't know if they hit the 30 mark yet. Nope, they hit 30, but that was right before us there. Let's look at the 1 minute here. Why are they rallying? We won the war. There it is. Now there's 30. We won the war. We won the war. Okay? We won the war. Yes, sir. All right, let's just see. Take the scalp shorts here. All right. Again, this is all scalps here. Look to cover the Nasdaq between the 22 and 30 range. It drops here. Okay. Again, you just want to be looking to scalp. Today I was 4 for 4 on the under over. We have our own poly markets that we do here. I didn't yell at you. What do you mean? You SKU at me for looking at the Nasdaq. I didn't say that. You misunderstood me. I said, look at the Nasdaq drop. I said you have to look at both Shunsen. Okay, meaning I already knew exactly what to look for on the ETFs, but I also knew. Oh my God, where's the bear? Oh my God. Oh my God. SOX. How much is the SOXL up? This thing is a beat. I'm gonna start trading this thing. 3-time leverage. Oh my God. Oh my God. SOXL. This thing moves. 3-time leverage up 7%. Hot diggity dog. Micron right back up. SanDisk right back up. Of course, my funded futures is the best interest. Of course. All right. Luke, you get that short up there, Luke? Is the Iran war over or started again? Where's oil? Let's look at the oil. Let's see here. Oil. What is oil doing here? All I know is every rally in oil. Oh my God, this poor oil. They killed the silver. They killed the oil. Where does oil come from? I think 68 and change. Yeah, right here. 67. Oh my God. Ran $9 on it. We got a bear flag. Oil's going right back down. All right, the Nasdaq gets up to the 48 to 88. I would look to scalp short it again. Okay, again, you're going to get these 30-minute time frames getting way overbought if they get up there again. Hey, Deuce. How are you? Oh, gold just got kabooshed. I missed that. Gold just got up to 93. You can see the MACDs are negative on the 5. Tina, pull over. All right. Okay, let's put the NASDAQ back up here. People can't believe how many NASDAQ trades I do in a day now. I'm doing more NASDAQ trades than S&Ps, and the S&Ps are my favorite, but I got to tell you, this NASDAQ's insane. Okay? And I've been doing pretty good trading the Qs, trading those futures with it. So pretty good. Pretty good, I got to say, All right. All right. Again, my fund the futures are really, really unbelievable opportunity here for you guys. Great firm. Um, you expecting more bearishness on gold? Gold just seems like it wants to hold this 4,000, but I don't think it's going to last. To bluntly be honest with you, I just don't think it's going to last. I think gold is eventually going to get absolutely kabooshed here, and that's what I think is going to happen. Let's see this here. Let's see. All right. All right, gold just got kabooshed. NASDAQ, it gets up to the 45, 48, 48, up to the 88 range. Yeah, there it is, 88, 48. Anybody new here tonight? Anybody new? Anybody? I'm $200 away from passing. There you go, Tina. Get in there. Get in there, Tina. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. All right. Mm-mm. Yes, sir. All right, if you're short, look to cover just below 40. There you go. Pac-Man 622. Ooh, Pac-Man's bullish. Christopher Pac-Man is bullish. All right. Christopher Pac-Man is bullish. SK Sox is also fun to trade. I'm gonna start looking at that, Tia. Okay, I'm gonna start looking at that. Okay, if you're short the Nasdaq, lower your stops. So look to cover below 40 here. Okay. We'll see. We'll see. Levi is in the house. Levi. My main man Levi is in the house here. Oh, my back. I'll get my water mug. Ugh. Luke, get in there. All right. Look at the 4 hour. I don't look at the 4 hour. I don't. I'm just gonna tell you. How's Henny? Henny's home. He had to get a shot today. Henny had to get a shot. So, Henny the Moose. Keith Matthews, how the hell are you? Bots Builder, how are you? Let's go. I short this Nasdaq again, 58 up to 98. Just go wide. I don't know, Christopher. Christopher's saying 622. I don't know, because you got the 15s getting the 30s, the 60s can still carry, but you probably would like to get some type of a pullback here, Christopher. Hey, Bodine, how are you? Kevin Patel. I used to look at the 4 hour time period. I don't look at it anymore. I just look at the 15, 30, and 60. Okay, if you sold 98s, 58s, let's look to cover below 50 here. Just scalp it, right? So just trade it. You're fading a trend, right? Most important thing, you're fading a trend. Okay? Right? Okie dokie. Schnooky. All right. There goes the gold right back up. Gold right back up. I'm on it. Don't ask me questions, and I won't tell you no lies. Questions, and I won't tell you no lies. All right. Again, let's look to short him here. 65. All right. Let's see if the okay. Let's see if we get one more push up here. There it goes. Let's get 65 up to. You can go 60 up to even on the Nasdaq. Go here. S&Ps, very lagging here. Now remember, you get the Nasdaq up, the Dow up small, but the Nasdaq was the S&Ps were down. You had the Dow down and the Russell down. Go figure. Okay. But it's gold. Don't tell me this gold's going to 4,100. Please don't do that. Nasdaq, look to cover below 58 here. Let's see if you get a little bit of a pullback here. Oh, sorry. Let me see. Yeah. Wait. No more questions. Beautiful pullback, Tina, on the gold at 85 before we got here, right around the 7:45 time period. Hey, La Barbaretto, how are you? Anybody new here tonight? P Long, how are you? The Forbidden Shenanigans. Chicken Trader. F111, you okay? Catnip. That's not true. Catnip. Here's the pullbacks. Okay. Lower your stops. Just scalp it. Okay, see, in and out, 20 here, 50 here, 80 here. By the end of the night, you do 100, you do 10, 15 trades, you're at $500-700. Bingo. That's it. Okay. We need a pullback. Correct. We need a pullback. And right now you're 96 overbought reading on the 15. So the 15 should get somewhat cabooshed here. Okay. Brooklyn in the house. There you go. Brooklyn in the house. Son of Wall Street, how are you? Where've you been? Sean Vince, hey buddy. When Aaron posts the link, just sign up for it, okay? Sean, bye bye Nasdaq. Andrew, get in there. Look at them drop. Bear Trader. Oh, look at them drop. Look at them drop. I can't look at candles. Are you kidding me or what? Look at them drop, Sean. Bear Trader, get in there. Look at them. Look at them drop. 20. Iceman in the house. I can't believe Iceman's actually going to live near me. Probably like about a mile, about 3 miles away. And those are for birthdays. 20 down. Jeff, you get the short on the NASDAQ? Yes, sir. Work. Dokie. Quite a long off the. Oh, gold just dropped 6. Don't ask me no more questions. Down the bear. That's not a bear. Okay, here if it ticks 30, I'll sound. How about this morning? We called a short. All right, I called a short. The Nasdaq dropped like 130. I did not one bear sound, 2 bear sound, 3 bear sounds. Here it is. Where's the bear? There's 30 on the Nasdaq. Okay, the bear sound is only when they're really getting cabooshed. Okay, like, oh Nelly, look at the Nasdaq, S&Ps, DL down 6 on the S&Ps. Brian, you get that? Can I borrow my phone for 1 second, Mike? Right in the nick of time. I'm back here. What a drop. Thank you. Hey Ryan, how are you, brother? What a short. What a short. And it's still going down. Still more to drop. Hey, Kevin Patel. You want to see, I mean, it's still 45 points from the 10 bar moving average. So let's just see if the 5s can get somewhat oversold here. Right. I just thought maybe a little lower. 3-minute time. I got to put the NASDAQ 3-minute time frame up somewhere. Need more screens. Look at the S&P on the 3-minute. Just went from 20. So really, it should be identical. Really, if the 3's pulling in, it should be the Nasdaq too. They're brother and sister. You know. Oh. Just ran 20 on the Nasdaq. Hits 50, it'd be up 30. Where? On the fives, yeah. But I was hoping for a little bit more of a pullback. The 3 didn't really get that oversold yet.
Yeah.
So, and plus it's a double blue buy, right? The 5 reversing to buy. So you wanted to buy that pullback. So you see the double blue?
Oh, on the ES, yeah.
Right? So I think we can get, it hit 50. We got a little bear flag on the 1 minute, but the pattern, okay, I wanted to get them a little bit more oversold, but they hit 27.5 on the S&Ps. If you bring up the 3-minute time frame, which in my point is the most powerful time frame, especially when the ADXs are rising. See here, they got down to 18. I was thinking more 10, right? But shouldn't have been so picky, because when you have the ADXs are rising, I like to see one more pullback here. Yeah, well, you gotta. Yes, this is the double blue buy here on the S&Ps. You see it here, the double blue, the 5 reversing the buy. ADXs are rising, so they push down to 27. So let's just see if we get a pullback here. Gold just got absolutely. Gold just dropped 13. Yes, sir. Why is it bad discipline to go long? It's a pattern. We won the war. Hey, J Dubs, what's going on, J Dubs? Well, here's the thing. I was just telling a good friend of mine. Right now, we have the South Korean stock market in a 20% bear market, right? So you can have the EWJs, right, the South Korean market, in a 20% bear market and think we're in hunky doryville. Okay, if you look at the EWJs here, okay, you can see. Oh my God, 92. You can see here that the EWJs, I don't know what I'm doing right here. You can see the dailies got down to 89. Look what this thing came from. I'm sorry, the EWYs, I think. EWY, I apologize. So the EWYs. So the high here is 220. I told my friend to short it. He told me to go kill myself. That's what he told me. I said, you got to short this. He goes, I'm going to go kill yourself. I'm hanging up on you. We're going higher. Okay? So that's that. Hey, Ash, how are you? Damn Zinger, you can't understand the chart? I don't know what to tell you. Okay? I don't understand how hard it is. Okay? I don't understand what you mean you don't understand the chart. I don't look at candles. I'm sorry. If it bothers you, I'm sorry, I'm not changing. Okay, hey, Manisha. So basically, we send out a link, and then you can sign up for the My Funded Futures account. You need to have a My Funded Futures account in order to join. So if I were you, before Aaron sends out the link, you need to be able, to create an account at My Funded Futures. You don't have to buy an account; just create an account. Okay, and basically what you need to do then is, once you have an email, because if you do win and they send it to you and you don't have an account, you're not going to get it. Okay, so the first thing I would do, Manisha, is to create an account at My Funded Futures. Again, I'm not saying to buy one, I'm saying create an account. Once you create an account, then when Aaron posts the link, you sign up, and that's it. And you win, you win. You don't, you don't. That's it. And it's there. Okay? Okay. It's not easy for me. Well, first of all, you don't know me. You just come here for a few hours or a few minutes a night. No problem. This takes time to learn. And if you learn, I'm doing this now, come this August 1st, 44 years. Okay? 44 years. So if you want to learn from somebody with 44 years of experience, I'm happy to teach you. Okay? But if you think you're going to come in here and after a day or two and think you're going to learn everything I know and everything I teach my community in a couple minutes or a couple hours, you're crazy. Okay? You're crazy. You're not going to learn. It takes time to learn. You have to be part of my Discord. You have to understand the classes, the courses. Tonight I did a beginner course with everybody. You have to learn. You have to be able to understand what the hell the methodology is about. Okay?
Are you crazy or just plain stupid?
So, Scalp King, I said the exact same thing to the two gentlemen here today with me. I said trading is an art. If you make it scientific, you're going to fail. Okay? No, there was not. First of all, I never would look. I work with the biggest guys in the world. If any one of these people ever put a candle on their charts, they would be fired and they would be banned from the business forever. Period. Okay? All right. Watch, learn, and listen. Right, Bryce? Watch, learn, and listen. So Bryce is part of NASCAR. If he hired me to be part of the pit crew and I'm training to do the tires, I had to watch a crew for a couple races. All right. When I watch, learn, and listen, okay, right? Watch, learn, and listen. Stop complaining and stop worrying about giveaways. Learn, make money. Okay, change your life. Be proactive. Be positive. Be confident. Okay, enough with the Tony Robbins speech. Okay, man, that gold made a new high at 99 and it just dropped 17. Damn it, the negative MACDs. All right. Okay, Brandon, you get that? The reason why Gervex, we say we win the wars because every time the market pops, we think he's making a comment, right? Because he wants the market to go up, right? That's what it's about, right? Okay. I'd like to see this Nasdaq get. I think Nasdaq. Oh, there goes the S&Ps, 27 to 33. Damn it, on the double blue. I do care. Okay, I do care. And I want people to understand that if you think you're gonna, let me ask you a question. What's his name? Shermanka or whatever. Okay, Brandon, get down here. Let's go. Modef. So let me ask you a question here. Okay, if the gold gets down to the, I would say 79.5, 85.5, I would look to buy it. Okay, there goes the Nasdaq right back up off the 3 minute. Jesus, gonna go up to 85.90. So let me ask you a question, right? Let me ask you a question. You went to college, right? You went to college, right? Hey, D Hall, thank you. You ever went to college? Okay, did you graduate in 2 days? Right? So people come in and they think, oh, I'm going to learn this in 2 days. What are you, crazy? Now look at this Nasdaq. Damn it! 18 to 78. If they get up to 90, I take a scalp short. 590 to 620. Hey, Christopher might be right. I missed out. Beautiful pattern on the 3 minute. And look at the 5 on the double blue here. I was talking about a bunch of other stuff here. This is a set strategy, right? Right here. The 5 reversing the buy with the 15, 30, and 60. And then look at this beautiful pullback right here. Nasdaq, if it gets to 80 to 20, 80 to 10, I would short it. This drop. You're gonna get another drop here. You see this here? This was the pullback right here. This was the pullback right here. 27. See the oversold condition? So if you look at the Nasdaq, you can see where the low was 27.5, and then it closed at 30.25. When it got to 27.5, the oscillator was deeply oversold. Wow, just Nasdaq just dropped. Okay, next, cancel. Just dropped 22 on the Nasdaq. S&Ps just dropped about 3. I still think they're gonna pull in more. Wow, Nasdaq 30. Jesus Lord. I leave the 1 minute up. What's up? You got the short cat? Good job. Oh. Okay. Oh my God. Going to be 40, 50. Oh, gold I cancel. If this gold gets down to the 78 and a half. Oh my God. What idiot paid 83? Oh, they're going to get kabooshed when these 30s roll over. All right. My. Love to short. Me, I love to short. How do you get on this action? Engage, Maverick. Left side, great job. Left side, wow. Who got the short in my community? Damn it. You made new highs. And you can see the 1 minute even to confirm. Thank you. Thank you. Let's go. I was going to get another push up here. 1 minute time frame up. This thing's a casino. My long entry was your short entry. Tina, pull over. What? Yeah, it's the same. Yeah. Yeah. You got the short, Andrew. Great job. No, at 4:30 in the morning, Papa Trump said the ceasefire was over and they got kabooshed. At 4:30 in the morning, there was a pencil down. Okay, now you got the 15-minute time frames rolling over. NASDAQ could get down to 495, believe it or not. Remember yesterday, they got kabooshed. Wow, look at this drop. If now S&P, NASDAQ trades 33, that'd be down 50. What a short. You caught the short too, Davin? Vansha, don't worry. Thank you. Oh, my God. You could trade without a stop, but you have to have a mental stop in place. I really don't. I really think you should have. I really think you should have a stop in place. Look at this, 50 down. If it trades 23, it'll be 60 down. All right, you could take a scalp long here on the Nasdaq. You can go like 495 to 525. Let's see what these 3 minute time frames are going to do. Up 27. I was watching last night. Rudy. No stop with a prop is nuts. No, you could, you could, what do you call it? You can put a mental stop in. Right, that's what I do. Mental stop. I can't believe I missed that short and that spike up. I would cancel the buy range here. Let's just see if they get down to a little lower here. You got these 15s still rolling over here. Trailing covered. Boom. I mean, if you're too late, then hell with it. If you're still in the trade, if you go 95 to 25, but I think they can go lower. All right. Not sure if you were able to cancel that or not. If you did buy it, I just kick them out up 10 here. Boom. 320 here. 19. All right, you're going to get one more push up here. Ay, ay, ay. Oh my God, look at this little rally. this is called the Asia markets. There's 3 sessions. You have the Asia markets from 8 to 3, the European market from 3 a.m. to 11:30, and the New York market from 9:30 to 4. Okay? If you were too late on the long, I said just kick it out above 35. See if the 5s can get a little bit more oversold here. We gotta wait. Look at this. If it hits 55, it'll be up 30. Kaboom! I'm not shorting them, no. No, because I think the 5s are going to eventually turn up. I missed my Henny. Left Henny home tonight. Oh, there were a lot of great moves here in the London. I used to trade the London session. I used to get up at 2 o'clock in the morning, take a shower, get a cup of coffee at 7-Eleven. Okay, head to the office. I had a king-size bed there. I lay down for about 10 minutes and get up, got ready for the European session. Ding, 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 3 a.m., go all the way to 4 p.m. New York. So 13 hours of nonstop trading. Index futures, commodity futures, and also the pound US dollar, the dollar yen, the euro, and sometimes they trade the pound yen and the euro yen. So those 5 or 6. How do I say this name? Hey Vamishk, how are you? All right. 55. I came home, I ate, I came home, I saw my kids, I went to go play softball, 20 down. London's great. You know what you should start thinking about, Cat Schnip? Okay, wow, 20 down here. Try looking at the Euro Stocks 50 futures. Coffee? No, I never traded coffee. Kospi? You're right. Damn it. I'm missing all these patterns. Anybody get this long here? I said to cancel, but it might have been too late. But if NASDAQ here just dropped 20. If 25 would be 30. Yep. Here's 30 up, 30 down. Boom. Hey, Bobby Trades. What's going on? You got the long scalp kings? Okay, here we go. All right, so it looks like we're making new lows here. Let me see. On the 1 minute. Well, let's see. I said 18. Oh my God, what a short. All right, 10 bar comes in. I'd probably look to buy him here anywhere between the 75 and 05. If they get down there, 75 and 05. 10 bar comes in at 02.5. Might be too low. Actually, you know what you do? You can go. Yes, sir. Go 85 to 15 on the Nasdaq. 85 to 15. Some Vinker thinks it's going to crash. So. Okay, if anybody would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, you can please text me your full name and email, and I will send you a link, which we give out every Monday, 5 days free to my live stream. You could just text me your full name and email, and I'll send it to you. Yes, sir. It's all manipulation. They did the same thing last night. They kept them up, the plunge protection team. You think these guys lose money? Are you crazy? He tells them a tweet's coming. They exit the long, right? They get short. NASDAQ drops 400. They buy everything. What are you, crazy? And they buy them up here now. They're probably long, probably 10,000 NASDAQ futures overnight, from overnight when the drop happened at 4:30. They probably bought more on the lows. Okay. Was anybody get prosecuted? Okay. Hey, Barack, how are you? Right. If I only had a brain. If the NASDAQ, if the S&Ps get down to the 2228, I look to buy them. NASDAQ anywhere from the 485 to 515. I was up SK, and NASDAQ and gold dumped that hard during London. It came out of nowhere. 4:30 in the morning. Yeah, it came out. Papa Trump said. Sirens sounding in Kuwait. Okay. All right. Market doesn't care. All right, let's cancel the buy range on the NASDAQ. Let's look to see if we can get, here we go. Looked at to go long anywhere from the 75 to 05 if it gets down there. 15s are still rolling over. I can't believe this short. Look at this new high non-confirmation off the 1 minute. Oh, Sherry, my love. What happened?
Hold on.
You're done? Oh, hold on a second. Time out.
Yeah.
All that's done?
How'd you
do that? No, with the cloud. Dude, when you go back to Florida State, I'm gonna sign you up for the course of common sense.
Yeah, I need
Okay,
it. I definitely
really?
need it, yeah.
Because I can't take it.
I know.
Michael, I don't say Michael. Is the email on who me?
Yeah.
Okay, come on, man. All right. Oh man, I had the right idea. 15s. Do them again. 85 to 15. I don't want to keep missing it here. This got down to 13. So all them went out.
Yeah, you can check your stuff.
Mail delivery. What's all this?
Those are some of the people that are email.
But Michael, you got to take care of this draft.
Oh, that one's good.
Come on.
That one's done.
Oh my God, this ran 20. Mr. Freeze. Damn it! 30 up. Get the long? No.
I dropped it at 5:05.
No. Dummy with the 5-minute turning up. Dummy! What a dummy. Damn it. Off the 5-minute. Right into the 10 bar. Freak me. You got 1325. Good job, Shushin.
All right, give me some numbers. We have 245.
Okay. Number 21.
Corb Trades.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Corb Trades. KHORB Trades.
Wow. Good job. Whoa, Corp Trades. Congratulations, Baba. Look at this. 40 points up. Bobby Trades, you should join me every day. Okay. You done? Or you got problems with that?
All right, next.
Number 81.
Tau, THAO S1G5X. I'm not gonna yeah. This person. If they're here, they're here. If not, sayonara.
This goal is to buy under the 85, 78.5 to 85.5 range. If you,
All right, they're here.
I'm sorry. Next, he's out here.
No, he's here.
Oh, congratulations!
All right, continue. Do your thing.
Oh, one more.
No, that's it for now.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Congratulations. All right. Right. Look at this Nasdaq, up 50 points. Oh, brother. See, you won. Good job. Forbidden Shenanigans, how are you? Damn it, I had that freaking long there. I missed the short at 80. Come on, man. And then the long here. Oh, my God. I had the right idea of 15, and then it got down. I said 05. Oh, I knew those fives were going to turn up. Come on. All right. Jesus Christ. What'd you miss? Missed the short, caught the long here, missed the long here. It doesn't matter. 62. Oh, they're moving like crazy. 39. All right, S&Ps, you can cancel that 28 bid. You took the long, Luke. Good job. Oh, my God. Why didn't you short them? Wake the blank up. Yeah, that's what I think, too. If I'm thinking 05 here. 40 points down. Oh, my God. Look to buy them here anywhere from the 65 to 05. We're going to right back down to 15 again. I was about to say short them, it's 58. Look at this, 15 again. Watch you go into 15 and get run over. I think they're going to get maybe 10. You could probably look to go long here anywhere from the 80 to 10 level. Let's see here. Or you can go 75 to 05. Gold, kabooshed. 15s are starting to roll over. 80X is still rallying though. Look at this 15. This 15 is going to haunt me all night. Screw it. Go, let's be wait to 10s. Be patient. Unbelievable. Here we go. Come on. Let's see if we get 10 or 05s here. Okay, 14s. 15. 15 is going to keep haunting me all freaking night. The minute you say 15, it'll drop right down to 500. Watch. 13s, new lows, 12s. Here we go. 10s, 11s, 10s here, 10 and a halves. 10s. Here we go. 10 and a halves. You can raise it to 11 if you want. What a drop. 60. Here we go. 10s. 07. I said 05. Look at this bastard. Gold just got kabooshed. I'm so bearish. I can't even tell you. 500s. Here we go. Yeah, now they got killed. Look at them. This was the drop right there. $75 to 05 or 80 or 80 to 10. What a drop. 60 down. Boom. Gold kabooshed. NASDAQ. 03 up to 10. You want to look to exit longs. I said once it broke 15, that would be it. See if they rally. Look at this short, 62. Oh my God. So bearish, I can't even tell you. $500. Come on. All right, gold starting to rally, push up. These 55 should turn up here. Here we go. You could start scaling out between 500 to 515 if it gets up there. 3. Here's 4. NASDAQ. Higher here. I think you're right. I kind of agree with you, orb flow trading. I'm bearish as all hell. I'm looking for rallies to get short. I don't know why. Here we go. 05, 06, 07, 10. I'd be scaling out of longs. 10, 11, 12. Be scaling out of longs here. 11, 12, 13s. Oh, I'd be out. I'd be out. Are you crazy? FIFA's rigged. I think FIFA's more rigged than the. Well, I don't want to say it. Gold pushing up here. Look to sell this gold 83.5 up to 80, 85, 86. You had your chance to get out of Nasdaq. Got up to what? 13.5, 14, 14, 14.5. Right? Out, Luke. Oh, I agree. The way they fall on the floor, they think they got shot. Oh wow, Ryan, are we up or I didn't? We'll talk at 10 o'clock. Sorry, Ryan. Did you get that short up there, Ryan? What?
Now we're good.
Go over this with you really quick. So, what am I missing here? What about the ones that had mail deliveries thing?
Some of them. Emailed them.
Okay. All right. Tomorrow I'll have a. Call me like around 3. I'll tell you I have a ton more here. This is
Okay,
what I got to
sounds
get
good.
straightened up.
And then
Yeah, just come here. How
Okay.
long do you need? Like
me,
yeah.
maybe 30 minutes.
Come by tomorrow.
Okay, 3 o'clock.
No, that's crazy.
Okay,
Like noon.
noon. All right,
Yeah,
sounds good.
noon, and then I'll go get lunch with you, and then you could get. Well, you have to be here, like, and do things, or you need.
No, just go over stuff one on one.
Oh yeah, just come here at noon, and we'll go walk Henny, and I'll go get lunch. And what's tomorrow? Noon, 12:30. Yeah, come 12:30. It's like stream tomorrow from 10:30 to 11:30.
Awesome, perfect.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. Look at it right back up. Look at the Nasdaq go. Oh my God, what a long. There goes the gold. If you're long, Ryan, you got long the gold. Okay, no problem. You get the long though? That was a good long on the NASDAQ. All right, NASDAQ got up to 18. Should have shorted it. I took my eye off it. Actually got up to 23. Just got kabooshed. Sorry. All right, we'll watch it. I'm so bearish. I can't even tell you. Anyone long or short, where have you been? Just dropped 30. Wow, Jeff, good job. Wow, gold right back down. I hope you kicked out that long. All right. All right, this NASDAQ gets down to the 53, 55 to 75, 45 to 75. I think you're going to get one more push up here. Let's just see. So bearish, I can't even tell you. All right, wow, gold just dropped $8. NASDAQ's going to get kabooshed then. See, boom, gold. All right, you got to look to buy this gold here. Okay, the 30s, the 60s are getting oversold. You could look to buy gold here anywhere between the 69 and a half and 76 and a half. NASDAQ, unbelievable on that push up. Just dropped 50 right here on the 1 minute. Took my eye off it above 20. Unbelievable. What a rally there. I would, if they get up to 80 to 85, 90, I kick it out. Okay. I don't like the way they're acting. Even though, here we go. Even though I told you, I don't like the way they're acting. Let's see if you get maybe one more. Now, if the push up, you got the negative MACDs on the 5. Just scale out 75 here. 75 up to like 85, 90 if it gets up there. Here we go. 74. 76. I'll be scaling out of longs. I don't like it. Okay. Gold. 77 up to 79, 80. I'd be kicking out longs. Now these 15s may give you one more push up here, but they got the negative MACDs on the 5. So any overbought condition until those negative MACDs, the markets are going to have a problem. There goes the NASDAQ. I'd be getting out of longs here. Nice long there. Hey, Manfred from Germany. If you want to learn something, please text me on WhatsApp 914-500-7484 and I'll help you. Okay? I'll help you. Brian, you get that long down there on the NASDAQ?
All right, give me two more names, numbers.
Let's go. Number 45.
Marzena 77.
Marzena. Ryan, you get that? Oh, good job. Marzena. SK, can you still see things trading with bars? Tony Gold, whatever you're on, send me a case. I've only used bars my whole life. He's here.
All right.
Marzena.
Congrats. Next.
Okay, number 212, please. How could you? I can't trade with candles. 44 years. You want me to change? Are you crazy?
Mataleo 4412. Mataleo 4412.
It's a new I like when we get new people, Aaron.
Yep.
Look at that NASDAQ. There it goes. What a long. Luke, that was a great long there. That was 3 great longs there.
All right.
Brad, you like that one, Brad? That's pretty funny, though, I got to tell you. Look at the NASDAQ. Look at this NASDAQ. Jesus, 60, 70 handles. Kaboom! Where's the bull? SK, what do you mean bars scare you? If you want to take a scalp short, 30 up to 60. Scalp short only. If you want to take it. Okay? If you want to take it. NASDAQ, gold right back up. I scale out above 82. If you want to take it. If, with a capital F. Okay, EF. Sorry, if. IF. Oh my God, Bitcoin just exploded. What happened, Bitcoin? Just shot right up. That's not good. There goes gold. I don't like this short then. NASDAQ just ran almost 90 points here. Bitcoin just shot up roughly 400. Look to cover the NASDAQ between the 25 and 30 if it drops here. I'm not comfortable with this. Not with Bitcoin popping. This NASDAQ's on crack. Here, 30. Hit the 30. I don't like the short. All right, start covering below 30 here on the NASDAQ. I don't like it. What's WAA? I don't live in Tampa. I live in Jupiter, Tony Gold. Okay, cover below 30 here. Okay, if you're short. Do I trade AMD? I could trade AMD almost every tick. Okay, the answer is yes, I do. Every day. How'd you miss that long? Luke, put him in the bathroom. You get the short?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, that's why I said to look the cover to short. All right, this Nasdaq, if the 15s turn up here, ooh-wee, I'm hoping for another drop to set up the longs on the 15. What time's the show end? 10 o'clock, Jay Reardon. Luke, how in the hell can you miss that long? Well, and I'm screaming up and down like a baboon. All right, I said look to cover below 30. I didn't really think they're going to get that much, but okay, I'm glad because you want to get another long here. Oh my God. Oh my God, what a drop. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Again, what I saw was the negative MACDs on the 5-minute right here. See this? The push up, this little bear flag into the negative MACD. They just dropped 38 off that. In 44 years, the best and worst months to trade. I think the best month to trade probably November, December. The worst month I would say is August. It's absolutely dead. You just sit there with your arms folded. It's summertime. Nobody cares, and you just go like this. Last year, I remember. I think there were out of 22 business days, 16 business days for 5 hours. If I remember correctly, the S&Ps moved in 5-point range. That's it. That was it. 5-point range. August. Good question. I think the German DAX, I used to trade it with the Euro Stocks 50 futures. I think the Euro Stocks 50 futures is better. Okay. What's my favorite type of market? Insane markets. Volatile. I remember that. I live and breathe this every single day. I may forget people's names, but I don't forget so many different things in the market. I'm doing this 44 years. I mean, you do this 16 hours a day, you figure, I mean, I've seen it all, right? I've done this. August 1st will be 44 years. I hope the good Lord keeps me alive to 70, where I'm able to do this for another 6 more years, and I can say I did it for 50. 50 years in this industry is a long time. You know, I was pegged as the #1 day trader in the world by my clearing firm for close to 4 years. I had a 97.4% hit ratio, documented by the two heads of the clearing firm. I mean, you know, the reason why I'm doing this is because one day I was home and I heard at night somebody say, "Oh, day trade on what?" I forgot what news session. It was either, forgot what business show, and they said, "Oh, all day traders fail." I went crazy. I went completely crazy. I went completely crazy. I said, "What? Day traders fail? What are they crazy?" And I understand now why they said it, because most people, in my opinion, they gamble, they trade options, they blow up. They think, oh, I'll buy an NVIDIA. You know, I'll give you an example. A guy calls me up. I'm not going to mention the service that he was listening to. He says, oh, yeah, they recommended on Friday at 3 o'clock to, well, first of all, I don't know how they can recommend. You got to be an RIA, but they advised, or they said this is one of their ideas. And you have to have significant discipline to play this game. Okay, significant, staggering discipline. Okay, if these 15s turn up, they could push 600. I'm just letting you know that. Right. So anyway, they're saying, Jesus, I forgot. Oh, 3 o'clock. Thank you. Bingo. you get a cookie. You get a cookie. So 3 o'clock, the guy about 3:30 calls me and says, "Hey, you know, this service I'm listening to said I should be buying deep in the money Bank of America, or no, out of the money Bank of America calls." So are you there? I said, "I'm here." I said, "Okay, so what do you want from me?" He said, "What do you think?" I said, "I don't know what to think. Why are you buying options? Okay, Luke, you're going right in the bathroom for this. Okay." I I said, "Why would you be buying options on a Friday when there's a 3-day weekend? Right? Why would you do that? Why buy an option on a Friday afternoon, 3-day weekend? If they get up to the 50 to 890 again, I'd short them for a scalp." Oh, they just dropped 20. Jesus, Lord God. So I said, he said to me, well, what do you mean? I said, you're buying an option in Bank of America on a Friday at 3 o'clock. You got Friday tonight, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, the markets are closed. I said, even if Bank of America opens up 30 or 40 cents, you'd probably be down. What do you mean? I said, the premium. And I said, if Bank of America opens down, you're going to get killed. Right? Oh, that's why I do this. Look at this freaking NASDAQ. 54. 55. 25 would be 30. Damn it. I cancel the short. Make it one more push up. I do New York every single day, 8:30 to 4. Casanova, yes. Who's that? Casanova? I say it right? I hope I did. Casanova, yes, 834. If you like a 5-day free trial, I'm okay, Frank. If you like a 5-day free trial, you could just text me your full name and email to 914-500-7484. And I will send you a 5-day free trial. Okay? I'll send you a 5-day free trial. Oh my God, my Henny. I miss my Henny so much. All right. If they get up to the 50, what I guess get up to 40, you can go 40 again. Oh, jeez, I keep missing. Where's the one? Is that here? Oh, that's 55. This was 40. All right, let's just watch them. See if you get one more push up. If you get another push down, I think the 15 is going to set up. How much up tonight? Let me guess. 180. Well, okay, shoot me. Or the other, I'm 9 out of 10. Okay. I was going to say 220, but that's short. Okay. S&P's hit 36, new high, non-confirmation on the 5. I don't know if anybody saw that. If you look at the, oh, come on, man. Jesus, 55. If you look at the S&Ps here, you can see the new high right here on the 5-minute. And the MACDs did non-confirm the highs on the 5 right here. So this 37.5. Okay, so that when you made the new high here, the NASDAQ could not make the new high, right? They were not in sync, right? You see that, everybody? My favorite things to do is just trade, period. Okay? trade. I'm not going to get into what's your favorite style. My style is very simple: pattern trading and scalp trading. That's it. Okay. In any given day, in an 8.5 hour day, well, 7.5 hour day, you're probably going to get anywhere between 5 to 10 patterns a day. And if depending on volatility, you can get as many as up to 50 scalp trades a day. Okay. I hope I answered your question. And again, if anybody would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me your full name and email to my cell phone, 914. Okay, 914-500-7484. Okay, let's go. My style is short the world. That's correct. Brad is from Toronto. Are you kidding me? You know when I was trading with, and I had my, you know what I think I used to do anywhere. Seriously, I'm not even joking now. One day, Ernie said to me, I think we do about 5,000 trades a day. Oh, you have no idea. When I say a trade, I'm talking every lot, every entry. Okay, I'm not saying I bought, bought here, and then sold here and here. That's 6. No, I mean that's one trade. I'm talking here, entries. Entries is still deemed a trade. Okay, all right. If I only had a brain. There goes the 15s turning up. If I only had a pro trader, you got to listen to me. Okay, during the day, come on, pro trader, get in there. Your chart looks complicated. Well, okay, I don't know what to tell you, but you got to learn, right? How'd you blow your account? Is gold a buy? You could take a scalp long on gold here between the 67 and 73, or 60, 66 and 72 and a half, 62 and 72. I'm sorry. Let me start again. 66 to 72. Sorry. How'd you blow your account? Okay. Last time I went on vacation, no idea. NASDAQ. Let's see here. 10. Willonis Gold. First time I'm watching you live stream, your chart look complicated, man. I don't know. Meant I've made 147,000 today in 10 accounts. How much? Oh, 14,000 on 10 accounts. And then there's some, okay. There goes the gold right back up. NASDAQ's going to go here. Should have bought the 10s here. Well, you got to learn, right? You're coming here. You don't know anything. Okay. It's like me being, me walking into UCLA for the first time, sitting in a classroom, a guy talking, there goes the gold. Who said that was a great buy on the gold? Venu. That's a great long there. Okay. You got to learn a system. You got to learn a methodology, right? Damn it, they just ran 30. Look at the 15s turning up here. S&Ps just ran 3. Anybody get the gold long? That was great. That was a great job, Vanu. There we go. That's a great job. See, he's asking a question. He's not worried about a raffle. He's not worried about this. He's not worried about that. And Johnson, I have no idea how you blew an account. Tina, pull over. Good job, Tina. Right? Can only mobile is enough for long-term trading? I have no idea what the hell that means. Derek, great job. There goes the gold. Wow. Vanu, great job, Vanu.
Okay, give me 2 more.
I made over
or
a
wait.
million. I made $1.3 million on one day in one trade. 1.3, 1.5 I made in one day. How many?
2.
Number 185.
F1 Rev 1.
Oh, is that Johnny? F1 Rev 1. Look at the gold. Ryan, this gold's wild tonight. F1. Hey, he's here. Congratulations. Art. Good job. Ray, you should give me a call, 914-500-7484. All right, they're going to turn up here again. You want one more, Aaron?
Yep.
Let's do number 35.
This better not be the same person. Futures 1 Pro.
I don't think so. Futures 1 Pro. He's here. Congratulations. Congratulations, guys. I didn't call 35 twice. Did I? I don't think so.
No, you
No.
didn't.
I didn't call. How could I call 35 twice? Number one, Aaron beyond military would have screamed at me. And I have my numbers that I have in my head. I know what I called.
I highlight every number you call as well.
And plus, he highlights every number on top of that. Can I win? I gotta pick your number. I don't know. Okay. Oh my God. The stream is on till 10 o'clock. 23 more minutes. Okay. All right. Let's see if this Nasdaq could. I hope I want to see it break one more time here on the fives, but we're in a tight range. This has been a really fun session, though. Look at this: 10, 13. All right, let's see here. I still think if the Nasdaq, let's see these fives get more oversold here. And I think there's a chance they can break a little harder here. I'm gonna wait. Oh, here we go. 05. I think if they get down to the 75 to 05 on the 5 minute, again, I would just be really careful. I think they rallied all the way up from 60, so prefer the short than the long, to be honest with you. But you could take a scalp long here, 75 to 05. All right, just rallied here. All right. And again, tomorrow I'll be on the My Fund the Futures TV from 10:30 to 11:30. Okay. Oh, there they go. Gold was a great long down there, Vanu. Great job. You think we're going lower? You think we go to yesterday's lows? You mean today's lows, 29,024? No. I think you do great. Linda NQ, how are you? Today's lows? No. I don't think so. All right, let's see here. All right, I don't think you're gonna get the 05s. These 15, I would cancel. Silver actually looks good. You're trading silver, Steven? What, 7-8 tonight? Oh, geez, look at him. Hey, Barbaretto. You can see the 15s are turning up here. This is why I was looking to buy him again. Jesus, I should have stayed with the 10. I went to 05. You went long? Okay. Oh, Prince Hans Club, Piranha's Club. You should text me 914-500-7484. That's right, Keith. Absolutely. Juan, you should. Anybody struggling should just text me. I'm more than happy to talk to you and see if I can help you. Okay. Look at him drop. So bearish, I can't tell you. This is not good action, to ask me. Gold was good. Gold just rallied 8. And Marzina, congratulations. Send you the contact. I don't know who you are. You could write it down. 914-500-7484. Right back up. Hit that 10 level. 11. Okay. Look at this tight range here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. 1, 2, 3. 5 bars, 20 handle range. New York is the NASDAQ so choppy. Yeah, have fun with it. Have fun. Scalper's dream. I agree. Gold was great. moving like within the $10-$20 range here. We're barely moving. All right, NASDAQ, S&P is about to make new highs here. Don't ask me. Don't ask me. No more questions. And I won't tell you no lies. How many trades today? Probably 100, maybe more. I'm going to probably end up doing between 1 to 500, no problem, soon. When I get my system in place. Okay. NASDAQ gets, S&Ps get up to that 37.5 to 43, and well, it's getting late, 10 minutes, but I'd short them. The 30s, way overbought. The 60s, getting overbought, bear flags. NASDAQ, this is the quietest I've seen in the last 30, 40 minutes. We had that one push down to 29,000 below 460 that Luke missed, and they exploded.
Last number.
Last number. 150.
AD like Alpha Delta 028.
Or he's always here. What is the underlying reading on the higher time frames, SK? All bullish right now. I mean, what? On the spiders and S&P? Spiders bullish on the 1530. Underlying ETFs, Qs bullish 30. Russell, bearish 30 and 60. Dow, bearish 30 and 60. Now don't ask me.
All right.
No more questions. And I won't tell you no lies. Hey. I want to thank Aaron. I want to thank my friend, the Futures, Matt, Aaron. Thank you so much. Love being here. And again, if anybody would like a 5-day free trial to our live stream, you could just text me your full name and email, and I or Aaron will send out to you. It starts every Monday. Okay, you can actually look at them drop. I knew it was a short. It's a piece of garbage. Okay. S&Ps just dropped 3. You can see the S&Ps made a new high. The NASDAQ futures couldn't make a new high. This is a great family. I hope we can have a couple thousand people here. We need to figure this out. There should be so many more people here. Okay? And you got the best prop firm, honorable. They do the right thing. They're always looking to help people, customer support. And we're here now every Monday through Thursday from 8 to 10. Bye-bye, gold. I just want to show you one clear pattern before we leave here. This is the short right here. This is the bear flag right up to, right here to 55, right? I was 60 on this to let you know, okay? And then you can see you're still bullish here, but you know, if the 5s reverse here, you probably could take a scalp long on the NASDAQ. Okay, wow, Jesus. 37 and a half on the S&P is down 5. Hey, Lynn, where have you been? Good day, Andrew. Good day, good profit. If this what's the low here? This is the low. If the Nasdaq gets down to the 35 to 65 range, you could take a long. I would look to take a long here. And again, I'm here to help anybody here. Okay, and I mean that. I have so many people texting me, so many people just wanting to learn better their trading. Remember, consistency is everything. It comes in many forms. Discipline comes in many forms. Okay, doing your work. Oh, look at them. I knew they were going to do this. All right, here we go. Here we go. Let's see if you 65 up to 70, 75. I'd be kicking out longs here. Kabooshed. Did you take profit? Oh my God, they were such a short up there. Let's go back to the 1 minute. Like I said earlier, I'm so bearish up here. All right. All right, NASDAQ pushing right back up, scaling out along, 65 up to 70, 75. You got the 30-minute time frame is going to roll over. Wait till the 60s roll over. Okay. Linda MQ. Let's see what they got up to here. 70. I wasn't liking it here. 52 to 70, not bad, or whatever. I just said before I'm so bearish. Kabooshed. Yeah, perfect shorts up there. What about August? What do you mean, what about August? August? I think it's going to be slow. I mean, still in a positive trend here on the 15, 30, and 60-minute time frames. Such a short up there. That's why I said then we're hovering. I said, just cancel the 05 and 10 bid. Cancel it. Aaron's military. Yeah. Aaron was in the Navy, right? No, I'm kidding. The Marines. Just trying to joke around with him. Next! They're going to push up here one more time. If they do, start scaling out 60, 65. Get long lower. Here we go. You took the short. Are you crazy? We're here? You were in the Marines too? 94 to 98. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you for your service. What month, Corp Trades? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Take care, everybody. Melvin, thank you. NASDAQ kabooshed. You're still in a positive trend. Regardless, you can take a scalp long again here, 10 to 50 range. They should bounce. Gold's not doing anything. Adam, thank you. Smoke trades. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. All right. We got about 2 minutes to go here. Augusto, how are you? Futures 1 Pro. I think you won tonight, right? Let's see if you get a push up here. 58. 58 to 65. You get a push up. $59, $60. Here we go. 64. 65,
10 o'clock.
66, 10 o'clock. No, I have 9:59. Okay. All right. I want to thank everybody. Thank you, Aaron. Thank you, Luke. Thank you, Matt. Thank you, Aaron. Have a great night, everybody. I'll see you tomorrow during the 10:30, 11:30 session of My Fund the Futures TV. Also, I will see you tomorrow night during the Asian markets. Have a great night, everybody. God bless you. God bless our troops. And God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wick got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle move, shadows on the screen, trading on the